Okay guys, there's a quick video about telephones. We've all got these phones at home somewhere, landlines, the cords hang out the back. This video I'm making because about 5 minutes ago I found the fix for the ongoing problem. Sometimes your phone cuts out on you like I did tonight. I was talking to a friend, grabbing the phone. I said I've got to fix the phone. Now we'll quickly point out to you these cords, as we all know, are your pin in and pin that you squeeze out comes out. And this one, on this bit, squeeze it and it comes out. Now this end of the cable, these lovely ends on the cable here, you can't see them on the computer very well, but those ends there are covered in gold. They never lose their shine. They're covered in gold. But the tags in here, there's two little brass spring wires in there. They're not covered in gold. I can't show you on the camera, but you pull your phone apart, you'll see there's two spring wires in there. They're not covered in gold, they're covered in brass. And in my case, in desperation, I went looking and I've done all the ones, and you'll probably notice that one of them is very bright, shiny, and the other one is quite dull. So, grab yourself a nail file, shove it in the hole, back and forward until it's shiny. Now this one's a very small hole, so you can use a screwdriver. Use a flat-ended screwdriver just to brush up against the wire up and down both sides until you look under a bright light and it's nice and shiny. Both of them should be shiny. And this one, a slightly different size, it did take the stick in there, and you can shove it in and you give it a bit of a shine, or you can use your screwdriver and give it a shine, or you can use a match head. What I did, this phone, that point, and the point on the wall, and the point in the back of the answering machine, did all that, good as new now. So I called my friend back and we finished the conversation. So if your phone's playing up, polish the brass wires inside your phone and all the sockets, you know, all these things. There. Polish all your brass wires there, on the bottom of your phone, in here, on the floor, on your socket, on your wall, on the back of the machine. Enjoy.